Why choose ValGenesis? To successfully digitize your corporate validation processes, you must choose the right solution to leverage the power of digitalization. This video provides you with information you need to know to select the right solution for your digital transformation initiative. For now, let's focus on the top 10 reasons why ValGenesis is a market leader. Reason 10. Real-time track changes with collaborative review. ValGenesis VLMS provides real-time collaborative authoring and editing with track changes during parallel review processes. Reviewers can see live updates from other reviewers. Collaborative review with track change improves quality, expedites the authoring process. No other validation system in the market can support collaborative review with real-time track changes during validation document authoring and review. Reason 9. Dynamic data acquisition from equipment and instruments. Data integrity is a major concern in the life science industry. Manual entry of test results and parameters from instruments and equipment into validation documents and trending reports can cause data integrity issues. Also, raw data and files stored in different locations and different formats jeopardize data security governance. Pharma 4.0 embraces automated data acquisition to reduce human error and improve efficiency. ValGenesis VLMS provides automated data acquisition from instruments and equipment. Collected data can be automatically populated into validation protocols, batch records, and log forms. Raw data and files can be centrally archived in a secured manner, as per the approved corporate record retention policy. Other systems on the market force users to manually enter test results and laboriously attach objective evidence because they do not support direct data access from equipment or instruments to validation protocols, and are prone to error because manual entry of test results is required. From a technical perspective, ValGenesis VLMS leads the field because it's the only validation solution that's IoT-enabled and OPC supported. ValGenesis VLMS can directly acquire data such as temperature, pressure, and humidity from clean rooms, freezers, and automated systems supported by PLC and DCS. Reason 8. Robotic validation execution. ValGenesis VLMS leverages the power of software test automation tools to automate validation and reduce execution time by as much as 80%. ValGenesis provides validated connectors for commonly available test automation tools. This means that organizations can validate their software systems with minimal effort through robotic validation execution. This is a patented process by ValGenesis that no other system in the market can provide. Reason 7. Multilingual support at site and user levels. In most countries, support for local languages is required for GMP systems in order to convey work instructions and operating procedures without language as a barrier. Validation SMEs cannot perform their work or execute validation test cases as per approved operating procedures if the solution doesn't support their language. ValGenesis VLMS supports commonly used languages including Chinese, French, German, Japanese, Portuguese, and Spanish. No other validation software system currently provides multilingual support. Reason 6. Integrated closed-loop requirement-level change management. ValGenesis VLMS provides integrated closed-loop requirement-level change management along with validation impact. ValGenesis VLMS will dynamically generate executable validation summary with all impacted artifacts and deliverables associated with the changed requirements with the help of dynamically generated trace matrices. This unique approach makes the validation change management process up to 80% more efficient. This is an innovative and proprietary solution only offered by ValGenesis VLMS. Reason 5. Dynamic trace matrix generation with minimal effort. With ValGenesis VLMS, building trace matrices is simplified. When authoring validation deliverables, users can associate requirements and test cases to one another with a simple mouse click. Once a reference is established, ValGenesis VLMS dynamically generates the trace matrix and presents a graphical illustration of the relationships between requirements and test cases. Any type of trace matrix can be generated, including end-to-end, V-model, one-to-many, and many-to-one traces, providing both forward and backward traceability. Reason 4, offline validation execution through a mobile app. In an ideal world, every company would have network access through its facilities so that 100% digital validation could be achieved. In reality, limited network connectivity and dead spots exist throughout most facilities, leading to hybrid validation systems consisting of test case execution on paper. ValGenesis VLMS supports many types of tablets for test execution, and objective evidence can be captured dynamically at the test step level through snapshots, pictures, and file attachments, in line with required compliance requirements defined in 21 CFR Part 11 and Annex 11. Other products in the market do not support a mobile app that can operate in offline mode, prohibiting their use in locations where limited network connectivity or dead spots exist. Reason 3. Enforce approved corporate validation master plans, policies, procedures, and processes. In the ValGenesis VLMS, decision tree-driven validation frameworks provide a mechanism to design intelligence into the system to enable approved validation master plans, validation policies, and procedures. Authorized users can define validation frameworks according to organization policy and approved validation plan and procedure. In turn, ValGenesis VLMS will automatically build a system profile based on decision tree responses during the system assessment phase. This decision tree-driven assessment process improves efficiency, enables standardization, and enforces approved validation policies and procedures in the corporate validation process. No other validation system provides this capability. Reason 2. Dynamically captures screenshots during validation execution, watermarking, and audit trails that comply with data integrity requirements. ValGenesis VLMS captures objective evidence such as screen recording, footages, screenshots, and snapshots with minimal effort during protocol execution. This objective evidence is captured with a single mouse click that records user ID, date and timestamps, automatic pagination, customer-specific watermarks, and direct links to actual test results. Other systems do not provide a simplified means of capturing objective evidence. Rather, they only offer a manual process by storing the images in the local desktop and uploading them at the test step level through a file upload process. This manual screen capture process is inefficient, often resulting in errors such as missing or incorrect screenshots or pictures and missing timestamps. This leads to data integrity issues and potential issues during audits and inspections. Reason 1. ValGenesis is forward-looking, always delivering viable advanced technologies at the right time. ValGenesis was the first to deliver a paperless validation solution that is now embraced by industry. We now offer a hands-free validation solution with the advent of augmented reality, or AR as it's commonly referred to. This solution is tightly coupled with the VLMS, and it relieves the burden of carrying or touching anything during protocol execution. You can literally execute validation protocols with voice commands, all the while viewing the actual protocol literally before your eyes with a boom display that is magnified to render the equivalent of a 7-inch tablet device. Furthermore, the accompanying headset is ruggedized, prevents the ingress of particles in water, and best of all, it's 100% compliant with 21 CFR Part 11 Annex 11 and Alcoa Plus data integrity requirements. Now more than ever before, it's vital to ensure individual contamination footprints are eliminated, and there's no better way than hands-free paperless. Again, these are just some of the reasons why you should consider ValGenesis as your digital platform to manage validation processes and procedures. There are many more functions that set ValGenesis VLMS apart from other validation software systems. Because of this, ValGenesis VLMS remains the industry's most sought-after end-to-end solution that efficiently digitizes the entire validation process. Seeing is believing. We'd love the opportunity to demonstrate the ValGenesis VLMS and show you the power, flexibility, and complete functionality of this solution. Contact us today or visit our website at valgenesis.com. There you'll find many resources and white papers, and you can chat live with us. Avoid costly mistakes by choosing the right solution the first time, which is the ValGenesis VLMS.